What's going on? Welcome back to Kevin's Woodworking. Today I'm going to be making some cutting boards, some simple cutting boards. Also, I want to shout out my man Danny J at Jenkins Fabrications. Go check out his YouTube. He made me this beautiful sign out of metal. He's making all types of different signs and bottle openers and everything. Go check him out. Let's get into it. I forgot to mention in the intro, but go subscribe. You know what time it is. Time to run this bad boy through the planer. Let's do it. I think my planer's a little clogged up. A little unfortunate. We'll have to figure out what's going on there. But overall, did a good job. Flattened our board. Got her relatively smooth. We're going to move on to the next part. So now that we got our board nice and flat, we're going to go in the half. We got 36 inches all the way through, 3 feet. So half of that is 18. We're going to mark our spot. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to use a skill saw here and not my miter saw. I don't have a table saw yet, so my skill saw work honestly isn't that good. We're just gonna pray for the best here. I'm gonna set that up and we'll come back to you. I got my skill saw, a little battery operated Ryobi, I think is how you say it. We're gonna cut this bad boy. Looks good to me, fellas. Let's see. See how close we are. Beautiful. Pretty straight. Straight like my jawline. Pretty good. Now we're gonna sand her up. Like I said, I know that's pretty boring for y'all, so I'm just gonna tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take 60 grit, go over it with 60. Go over it with the 120, the 220, the 320. Y'all have heard it several times. And I'll be back with you. Alright guys, so we got these bad boys sanded down. Hand rounded the corners. Edges, all that. Everything's nice and sanded. Yeah, that's right. Now we're going to go over it with our food safe cutting board oil. I'm still looking for my sponsorship. I don't know what's going on with that. Let's see what we got here. Hold on. Yeah, I figured. Alright. Let's do it. Let's oil them up. Start with that. Got me some nice shop towels. I don't need some more oil now. You want to put it on really thick on your first coat. Oh crap. Dexter's back there breathing. edges. I'm telling y'all, I'm bad about spilling this stuff. Dexter, easy now, boy. Dexter. She needs some more. Alright, last side. Like I said, really nice and thick on the front. Throw some in on the back too. Like I said, these are supposed to be just really nice and easy to do cutting boards. Nothing really special. I got this piece of wood at Lowe's for like 10 bucks. So this is something anybody can do. It's a nice, easy, simple cutting board. Very beginner friendly. A little more to put on the top. That's our most important surface. And we're gonna let that sit on there real thick. We're gonna go ahead and do our other piece, and then we'll cut to the next step where I'm putting these little rubber footies on there, and that's just to make sure it sits nice and down on the table and doesn't slip and slide on you when you try to cut stuff. It's my little signature touch. So stay tuned. All right, so we just got done with the staining or the oiling, whatever you want to call it. These are what they're looking like. Let me grab the light. They're looking really good, just natural. Like I said, very beginner friendly. Now what we're gonna do is, let's set this light back up, let me wrestle it. We're gonna put these little rubber cups on them. And I'll show you at the end why we do this. Is for, or you probably already know. If you do, if you don't, I'll show you. You put them on there so when you're cutting something, it sticks to your counter. A lot of cutting boards will slide and stuff like that. I don't like that. Like I said, this is kind of like my own little signature touch on it. Let me grab these screws here. I found these screws, so I really can't tell you what screws they are. We're going to flip one over. And these are for me. These cutting boards are for me, so they ain't got to be 100% perfect. I'm trying to put like, you know, half inch. And we're going to go right through the middle of it with just one screw. Might try to move on you a little bit. Anchor it down. Let me go up on that a little bit. Right there. Actually, y'all, I'm gonna do a screw in all four corners. I'm gonna have to find more screws. But let me do one like that. I don't like the way that one sit. On reverse. Alright. Line. Try to get it kind of square. Let me grab a couple more of these. You really just want to snug. You don't want to go all the way in like I am right now. So I'll back up just a little bit. See how it sat down a little more flat. That's all you need. You just need them to hold it. We're going to back this one out. Take our screw, line it up. Boom. Oh. Get this other corner. Oh, a little too much. Flare it up. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of these on both cutting boards. Don't want to bore you. In the meantime, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Help a brother out. Come on now. Help me out. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers. Also, I want to announce I'm going to be doing some giveaways soon. I haven't really thought about what I'm going to give away. I'm thinking about like some bottle openers or something. But I think the goal is going to be like 250 subs. So I'm going to figure that out, make whatever I'm going to make to give away. And then I will let y'all know, so be excited for that. But hit that sub button for now. Appreciate it. Alright guys, so we got the little rubber footings on them. This is pretty much, or is the finished product. Just like that's how they're going to sit. Right now we got too slick of a surface here. So, like I said, I have to take them inside and show you how they stick to the counter. But I really love how they turned out. Like I said, they look absolutely beautiful. Those are the fronts. The back of one. Totally food safe. Everything's good to go. Go in there and cook you a steak. Cut up some vegetables. You know what I'm saying? Like what I like to do, you know. Some steak. A little bit of potatoes. Maybe a little bit of onions to go with the potatoes. You know what I'm saying? So, but either way, like I said, that's pretty much it. Shout out to my boy over here for making my sign. Like I said, Jenkins Fabrications is his YouTube. Jenkins Fabrications. Go check him out. I will have his link below in my description. Please go check him out. Show him some love. Like I said, he's making some really cool stuff. I'm also going to add some pictures of his stuff at the end of my video. Y'all know how I add pictures of my stuff at the end of the video, little videos. I'll have some pictures of his stuff that he's been making. Really awesome work he's doing over there. Go show him some love. And that's going to be about it for everybody. So I'll catch you on the next one. Alright, so this is what them rubber pads do. As you can tell, it's suction on there. You know, especially when you're sitting here cutting, it's not going to go anywhere. Just like this one over here. Let me grab it. Same thing with this one. It's not going to slip on you. It's on there. Like I said, there's the finished product. We got 2 cutting boards. We'll catch you.